Today we're going to talk about the Type S T401 dashcam. This dashcam I like because it's a state-of-the-art AI-powered dashcam. If you are an Uber or Lyft driver and you don't have a dashcam, you're doing it wrong. This is a must-have for all gig workers that are working out there, that are hitting the road, traveling with passengers in your car. It's sort of an insurance policy, so that there's always documentation of what happens in your car. Now, we're gonna do an unboxing of this, right? While I talk about the product itself. Okay, so this is in this case, this Type S 401 T401 comes with everything you need to start operation. So this is something that we're gonna open it. Everything's in here, which is not always the case, but in this case it even includes the SD card necessary to record the content of the camera. So we're opening it right here, right? Opening it. There you go. So it has quick instructions. And let's open it here to see what it includes. Whoop. So it comes with a quick instruction manual. So here's the camera. It's very sturdy. The camera is very sturdy. There's a lot of metal parts, some plastic, but mostly it's a very sturdy camera. I'm actually pleasantly surprised about that. This is the screen here, right? So it's giving you a disclaimer that the AI features are for assistance purpose only, and please maintain your focus on the road. Yeah, because really the AI on this camera, right, on this dash cam, it's not the main thing. The main thing of this camera is to record the activity inside your car at all times, so that if you have an accident, then you can use this footage to protect yourself in the court of law or with an insurance claim. So this is really the main purpose of this. However, this is great because it includes lane detection. So if you depart from your lane, it tells you. If you get too close to a pedestrian, it tells you. If you if it tells you that you should stop if you're getting too close to the car in front of you. So all of these features were once only available for very expensive cars that had this in as part of the features of the car itself. For now, you can buy and put this on any car that you want. So that's amazing. I feel like that's amazing and something that you should consider. So it comes with the camera, and this is the front camera right here, because this is the screen. So this is the front camera, and this is the camera that looks inside. And I've read some reviews, and it says that the vision at night is really good. So it's very important that if this back camera is recording the inside of your car, that the footage is visible so that you can use it in case you need to file a claim about a client. Very important. So there's a camera here, right? Let's put this here. It comes with the cable to connect to your power source in the car, and it has a USB-C cable to regular USB, and this cable is for when you want to download the contents of the SD card. I guess the SD card is inside the camera already, I'm going to say. So basically that is the unboxing of the Type S 401 T401 dual dashcam camera.